Your Mercedes-Benz allows you to customise several key attributes to the way you like to drive. Using the dynamic select mode, you can switch between different driving styles to suit your mood or the road you're driving on. You can even custom design your very own driving program.
Imagine you are commuting to work on busy roads and you prefer an unobtrusive driving experience. By using the dynamic select control, you can set the vehicle to comfort mode. The engine response and gear selection are conservative, with automatic upshifts at lower engine revs. This optimises both fuel use and comfort. Springs and dampers are also set to greater absorbency to create the most comfortable ride possible. When the road opens up and you're in the mood to drive, select Sport. Your vehicle will immediately adopt a more performance-focused driving style. This program sharpens throttle response and holds shifts for a sportier, more agile experience. Road holding and handling are dramatically improved by firmer suspension settings. Steering is also more direct and responsive. If you prefer different features from across the various modes, that's what the individual setting is for. This allows the driver to individually specify the mix of comfort, conservation, and performance that best suits their driving style.
So next time you go for a drive in your Mercedes-Benz, try each program to see which one is right for you. And remember, each program may suit a different drive.